Guys, I have to. It's really sad for me, but Club Penguin is closing down. Club Penguin Island. It's been out for a while. I have to talk about it. In the last words of them Club Penguins, I'm very sad. Okay, I'm a Club Penguiner. I got all the membership. I spent around $500 on this game. I'm really sad. I'm just gotta show you for the last respect to Club Penguin. I'm okay. So thank you, Club Penguin. I love you. I love you. I miss you. Oh, say, can you play the old? Shut up, Mus. That one dude, that 390. Don't make fun. See, I will waddle with you, my dude. Waddle on my fellow penguins. I'm very sad. Okay, let's read a little. There's no easy way to say it, but after 15 years, I've been playing since I was like 2. I really miss it. Thanks, you cracking the H, dude. This is YouTuber who did raids on Club Penguin Island and they shut it down. I hate you, whoever did that. I had all the memberships. I spent so much money on this game. I just gotta be sad. I will miss you, Club Penguin. And everybody. So, if, uh, if you subscribe, I will contact Club Penguin Island, and I will tell them I'll if you subscribe my video, Club Penguin Islands will will not quit anymore. Cause of all my support in my fan base, I have like 4 viewers. That's a lot. With all those viewers, I can also I want to celebrate my first subscriber. I had to dig deep for that one. I'm just saying. But with all my fan base, if you like and subscribe this video and tell everybody, we can maybe start Club Penguin Island back up. I love you, homies. All my fam slices. Be a cool cat. I love you. And I just want to slurp on you. But I think I have to go for now. See ya. Bye.